Hi, this is Scoggett. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm doing pretty good. Thought I would do a quick tip on how to save dishwashing liquid. This works for me, and you'll find out that you're using less dishwashing liquid than if you just pour it from the bottle. And I'll show you what you need for this. Here we have the bottle of dishwashing liquid, and they come in different sizes. This one's a bigger size, and I've noticed that whenever you wash dishes, I like just squeeze them out in there and maybe a little more, and really don't have much control over how much you use, and you end up using quite a bit of it. I was down in the barbecue aisle at Walmart and found this. This was 97 cents. So I thought, well, I'll put dishwashing liquid in this container and I'll use less. And it's easier to control. It fits better on your on your sink by where you put it, and it's easier to, like I say, control and dispense the amount what you want, and you don't overuse it. And Mrs. Scoggett tried it, and she said it works great. She said that she really likes this idea because she said I am using less, and I've noticed that we do use less. So I thought I'd share this little tip with everybody. And it's inexpensive, and nowadays anything you can do to save money, if you're like me, every penny counts. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and continue to stay safe, and y'all take care.